I would just like to thank you all for the many blessed birthday greetings you all sent my way. I had the most wonderful birthday. I just partied. I was out all last night. I danced.
Need I say more? Happy birthday, Hannah. Yeah, big ol'.
Madera que me dio palo y palo me dio palito. Mira cómo me he quedado montado en el caballito.